making $76, $11, $53, $157, $66, $7, $95, and even $40 for just shortening a URL. So you can make money with shortening URLs and sharing it with some of the highest CPM rate you can see here. This platform is offering $22 per thousand views for Greenland. For US, the CPM rate per thousand views is $11. For UK, it's $7. Australia, it's $6. And for the rest of the world, it's $3.5, which is the minimum the website is offering. Another great thing about the website is you can withdraw via Bitcoin, US dollar, PayPal, Payer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and even bank transfer. And the minimum withdrawal amount is just $5. Now, if you have watching this video, it means you have probably searched for it. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of the website, and then I'm going to give you a practical example of how I would use it to make money. The thing is, with URL shorteners, you need to send traffic to a specific link, and then they will pay you for getting that traffic to watch advertisement. So there will be an advertisement between your traffic and where you want to send them. Now, if you go ahead and go to this website and you go to payouts, you can see here you get a $1 sign up bonus. The minimum pay is $5, and you can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, Payer, Perfect Money, bank transfer, and so on. Now, scrolling down here, the best traffic that you can send is going to be from Greenland, Ireland, and the US, and then it goes down from here. Now, you can't really choose what traffic you're sending. You're going to be sending traffic from all over the world, so you are just going to have to take what you get really using this method I'm about to share with you. It's going to end mostly US traffic, but you can't always choose where your traffic comes from. This is how much you are going to earn per thousand views. So if you send 1,000 views from the US, you are going to earn $11, which is okay. It's decent, and ShrinkMe is a great way to make some money, but you are not going to be able to make lots of money fast. It's kind of great using this method I'm about to show you to earn money in a passive way. So if you go to payment proof, you have got these people which are cashing out pretty much every day. It's legit. It's one of the most popular URL shorteners out there. If you do want to make money with URL shorteners, I do recommend this website, which is known as shrinkme.io. You just need to create a free account. Now, once you have created your free account and you are on the dashboard, you can go ahead and shorten links. So any link that you want to shorten, you want to paste it here. I'll just shorten YouTube, right? So http www.youtube.com. So if I wanted to shorten YouTube and click shorten, it will then give me a shrink link. Now I can then send traffic to this link. It will then show them an advertisement, and then they will be redirected to my destination URL, which in this case happens to be YouTube. Now you must be thinking, how can we make money with these links? How can you get people to click on your link? How do you get people to trust you? And how do you get massive traffic toward your links? I was thinking the same about this, and I came up with a method which actually works and creates passive income. If you go ahead and search on YouTube for how to create a Pinterest account, there are videos here explaining how to create a Pinterest account with thousands of views. These videos are getting views every single day without fail from people searching for this keyword. This is really helpful now. What you can do to make money is to create a video like this showing people how to do specific things and then link in the description. You could link to Pinterest in the description. So instead of linking to Pinterest, just straight direct, you could link Pinterest here. So you could type in here http and obviously get the link to Pinterest, www.pinterest.com. If you shorten the Pinterest link, you now have a shortened link which goes to Pinterest. You can create a simple video like this explaining how to create a Pinterest account, and then basically say, if you want to create a Pinterest account, I'll leave a link to Pinterest in the description below. By doing this, you are going to get people who want to sign up for Pinterest clicking your links, and you are going to be actually helping them out by sending them to Pinterest anyway. Now, you don't have to just create videos about Pinterest. You can create videos about anything and link to products or websites that the viewers will need to go to. So you don't have to create crazy videos. You can just create very simple ones. Maybe you want to create how to make a Facebook account or like a Twitter account. Right, create that video that's not a lot of competition and put the link to Twitter or Facebook through ShrinkMe, and then add this link in the description to record these videos. You can record it on your phone with a built-in screen recorder on iPhone, or you can get a video recorder for Android. If you want to record on a computer, you can record with OBS Studio, creating helpful videos. and uploading them to the internet, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to get consistent traffic, especially to URL shorteners. So that method could work. I'm not saying it will work for you, but it could work, and it's definitely a working way to make some extra money now. Not only will you make money through shortening links, you will also make money through the advertisement revenue. It's literally the method I'm doing right now. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more amazing and useful videos like this. And I'll see you all in the next one. And I think that you will also like these videos, so check them out here.